Hey everyone, thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, we are going to discuss about the MANTA, one of the newest crypto assets, crypto projects, cryptocurrencies, whatever you prefer to call these kind of cryptos in the market. MANTA has a recently, from the 18th of January 2024, which is from the beginning of this year, we see MANTA out there in the market, and the price was around $2.32. It went all the way up around $3.80, and then retraced back to $2.50, and now it's just going sideways. It's a good time for the DCA in the market, in my opinion. Of course, this is not the financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I think this project it has a great potential among the other old projects. At least we can see a new narrative, we can see the modularity, we can see the zero knowledge proof, Polkadot project, modularity, and many different narratives. People they believe new project they can have a better upside. But how high this coin can go? About the tokenomics of the coin, we can see this coin has around $900 million market cap at the time of recording, $3.56, and the rank is 127. The fully diluted valuation is $3.5 billion, which is slightly bigger than the market cap. The reason behind is amount of circulating supply with respect to total and the max supply. We can see around 25% of the coin are in circulation, and we can have more inflation over the time. But by the end of 2025, which we are expecting to see end of the bull run, MANTA will have around 50% to 55% inflation according to Token Unlock website. Then the only things I should mention here, we cannot see on the coin market cap about the max supply of this coin, but apart from that, data are more or less are similar. If you have a look about price prediction for MANTA, most of the people at this stage, in this time, they are talking about at least $5. For instance, this influencer is talking about $3.40 to the max around $5.20-30 he's expecting to see for this upside of the MANTA. But of course, MANTA can go higher. We don't have that much data for this trading, then we can just expect based off the data now we have on the chart. The things I should mention for those people are new in this channel or they are new in the market, MANTA, it's a first time wants to experience the bull run in the market, and this is the first time it sees the let's say the halving of the Bitcoin, which these are the previous cycle of the market. We do not have any data from them, and this is pretty new project. Then the price prediction for this kind of crypto asset is slightly different from the project. We have background data, the history data. Then we can compare it with the first modular blockchain, which it was TIA, Celestia. If MANTA could manage to reach to the current market cap of Celestia TIA, it is around $10 to $11. Then the price can appreciate around 200%. But if it wants to go all the way up to the TIA all-time high, it's around again 266%. It's not that much because also TIA is the first bull run is experiencing. But MANTA, how to say, the MANTA valuation in the beginning, it was slightly higher than TIA. That's why we cannot see the huge amount of appreciation on TIA in compared to MANTA. If we have a look on TIA, for instance, this is the TIA, and from the beginning of the airdrop and listing on the market, it went from here, just consider close of the candle, all the way up around 850%, and now it's in the correction phase, and again get the fuel for the next leg up. Then this market for the MANTA was listed slightly higher. If you have a look on the Starknet, even if it's this one is it's worst, and it's ranked among the top one in the market, but still there is plenty of way to grow. then it's better to consider and compare it with market cap of Polkadot as a L2 solution. Also, they have some similarities from the technology and background. Then if it managed to reach to the current market cap of Polygon, we can see around 1,150% and would be around $44. But what about the Polygon Matic all-time high? Then we can expect to see around 2,000%, 2,000, almost 100%, and the price will be around $78, $79. Then I just put this targets $5, 11, 13, 44, 78 to see how will be the price and the market cap for MANTA. Then in this situation, this will be the status of the market cap for the MANTA. Then the last one, which I put for Polygon, we can see Polygon Matic here. And then, yeah, this is the last one. It will be as big as, this one will be as big as a Polygon Matic last cycle market cap. This is the situation. But I'm expecting to see this inflation over the time. They would increase the amount of coin, at least will be around 50%. Then what I'm expecting, if I want to have a 50%, I have to increase it by 100%. Then I will see 50% of the coin are in circulation. Then this is about to change our prediction. Because in this scenario, the 44 target, $44, it will be the target which it can flip the market cap of Polygon Matic. This is the same market cap with the price of 44. But still, what I expect is around 44, around 1,150%, which is good, to be honest, which is good. Now, if the other thing we can consider is if we can manage to DCA this coin around, let's say, $2.80, it means the market could correct around 90%, then that's another scenario. But let's focus on this one, to the current price, how much we can expect. Now with the $3.55, if we invest $100, we can expect to see to buy 28 MANTA for each $100 of investing, and then $44. I mean, these are the last one. I could just put the 44 as a last target. 40. Let's put it like that one, 78. Then this one 40, and this one 20, and this is 10 for the price prediction. With, of course, 100% inflation to have a 50% of the coin in circulation. Then, yeah, this is the situation for the price. Okay, we can expect around $40. The return on investment would be around 1,000%. It means from $100 of investing, we can have $1,126. It means it is about 10x from the current price. If the market managed to go higher, instead of the last time was the total crypto market cap was around $3 trillion, and this cycle we're expecting around 5 to maximum of 11. Then Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the other crypto project also they can raise. Then for the room for this kind of new project also will be higher. Then in that situation, we can expect to see around $78. But always consider to take profit when the market is going up. Don't wait for your last target and to see your last TP, and then maybe before the market could reach to your target can collapse and turn back, and you cannot sell it in your last target. It was my price prediction for MANTA. I personally decided to invest in this project. Of course, this is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. But I think this crypto has a great potential. If you like this kind of content, every day I have different price prediction based off the market cap, not based off only price, to see how will be the situation of different cryptocurrencies. If you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Peace out.